Yo, what's up guys? Today is Tuesday, the 2nd of December. I'm just gonna do a quick little, review of the day, a little recap. We started off taking one trade on our eval this morning with Apex, and I think I took a $600 loss with that. And then I paper traded with the motion model, and I took one loss and one win. I took a $600 loss and then a $1,400 win, so I am still up for the week on it. I more than broke even because I do have that 1 to 2 RR with it. I've been doing my best to just continue to backtest the strategy and just work on learning it and recognizing the patterns that come with that strategy, and that's been good. In regards to prop firms and stuff, I have went ahead and bought a eval account from Alpha Futures, their zero pass account, so I'm able to pass it in just a couple trades, one day. I think it's a 1-day pass, and I pay no activation fee for when I get it. And there was a discount code that I used, so I only got it for around $70, so I got a really good deal on it. I am going to, this is my plan for the next week, I'm going to just backtest and really learn the motion model strategy, and then off of that I'm going to take my knowledge and put that into passing the Alpha Futures account, and then hopefully from there I'll be able to start racking up some good trades. And realistically, with the motion model and the average of 1K that I get per trade, I would only need 5K to withdraw my first payout from Alpha Futures, and if I could do that, that would be absolutely amazing. So I really do just have to work on the strategy, learn my patience, my discipline, and just continue to focus and put the work in. So I'm gonna really try to dedicate myself this next week to learning the strategy. Every day I'm gonna be just paper trading with it, just because my eval is kind of, there's not a whole huge point to it anymore, so I'm just going to keep building on the paper trading account, and that'll be good. And then obviously backtesting throughout the day when I have the opportunity to, so I'm going to do that. Other than that, there's not much else to say, I guess. I mean, I'm refining my entry model and my exit model and everything that has to do with the motion model, I guess, with that strategy, just kind of taking that and then building off of what I see work, so I could adapt it, for my own style of trading. I also have just been learning the individual confluences that go with it, like SMTs. Have been doing a ton of research on those, and then inverse fair value gaps and when they're valid and when they're not, and then draws of liquidity, learning all these little tiny aspects so that I could eventually combine them into one nice coherent strategy that is hopefully going to be really profitable and be consistent over the long term here, and that I'll just continue to get better at learning over time, continue to just have that pattern recognition of what's a good trade and what's not, have discretion in the market to just know when to take a trade and when not to. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on that. But other than that, guys, that's gonna be all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.